ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Ki reo shempang ki juong, bala da don kamon, ki lat ki linti ki play war. Bat hang ne ngila ban sakhi yakata leng baka jing pelaj Paidbah yaka almanak yaka balatip kum Hermosa calendar arjar arpuway. Hang ne la ban yoi baka kenhon jong ka thai samla riya shooting kile ya trai borba leng baka jingnya no senyang bat ki jingyarap jong ki parlok parjor ban penurlong yaka jing temu ban penmi yaka ne ka calendar. Hagni ka calendar ki don ki dur jong ki babun ki rang bat ki thai samla ki badon laki jong ki sap laka dei hakar wai ka siau ka shat bat ka jingpen i dait riam hakani ka jing pelai Paidbah ya ka calendar Hermosa arajar arpuway ikong Eldora Betsy Lingdo National Director jong ka National Pageant India ibala badru ya ka World Class Excellence Japan Award arajar khat khandai na Fukuoka Japan bat hakaju ka por ibalongru ka Ambassador of Goodwill jong usnem ahrajar khat khandai ila long ka kongsan harengkat ka jingisan ran lang jong ka thai bhabreu ka Nadia Maris Emle hakani ka janmet lepon kub buramru ya ki nong bishar ki rang bat ki thai ki balaya shimbanta hakani ka Hermosa production ban penlong yakani ka thong ka bajam.
Do not be afraid. That is the first message of Christmas. And it should be a message that should be in our heart. Do not be afraid. Through any struggle in life that you may be facing, as you walk through with your talents, do not be afraid. And the second point is, even in the midst of the COVID-19, you should not be afraid. But precautions are important for us. The mask, the washing of hands, all these are important. The second point, which I want to say, is that the King was born in a manger. This is a beautiful message for all the talented people out here. Remember, it is a special message of humility. No matter to what height you may rise, never forget your ground reality, your ground level of who you are, knowing that you are only human. You are only human, exists for a special purpose, and at the end, accountable to God in our life, at the end of our life. So, my best, I would like to say my blessing to Hermosa production, so that Hermosa production will grow and flourish in every step and decision that you make.